How you doing, Ralph here, Ralphy Customs. Time for a Monday morning vlog. Okay, time for a top tool tip. I love my cutting fluids, I do. Look, we've got alu fluid for cutting aluminium and drilling, tapping, all that sort of shit with it. We've got two different tappage fluids here. Look, we've got this one, super all tap, and we've got rapid tap. Both do a great job. All three of those do a great job. WD-40, that kind of works. It's not absolutely perfect for ferrous metals, but it works. For ferrous, I use this shit. Yeah, metal working fluid, Molly Slip, good brand, fucking UK based. They do a thick one for pasting on your fucking taps and dies and anything else that you want thick shit sticking to. Really thick shit it is as well. And also I use this Miller's as well. Look, you can see, fucking hell, I'm wearing the label off before I'm using all the fluid. It's good shit. Right, my tip is great, yeah. There's probably, let's have a look. We've got 15, 30, 60, 90. There's probably fucking 90 quid's worth of fucking lubricant, cutting agent there. So what I do is get the old white mineral oil, yeah? Known in certain circles as fucking baby oil, Magic Mike oil, yeah, I don't know, solo fucking quality time, if you like that sort of thing, oil, yeah, white mineral oil. And in my pots that I have it in, I dilute it 50-50 with a white mineral oil, and it performs flawlessly. One thing's mixing up actually, I think separated over the weekend. So it performs absolutely flawlessly. The tools don't know, unless you're running fucking hard as fuck, high impact, fucking super pressure, big deep extra doodah fucking systems, in which case you'd flush it with coolant. Then it will absolutely save you half your fucking money, because this is dog shit fucking cheap. This was like 20 quid for a fucking gallon. So there you go. That's today's top tool tip, is dilute your cutting oils. I've not done it with these three. I'm going to leave them well alone. They can do it, what they do is they do, yeah. But your general sulfated, brown, smelly, I really like the stuff, cutting fluid, dilute it 50-50 with baby oil. Now I wanted to share these, look, it's my latest acquisition of these little Eclipse, it's not fucking little, is it? These Eclipse tap wrench, still made by Spear and Jackson, who knew? And this is the E141, which is going to be absolutely perfect for using taps up to 6 mil or a quarter. For our fucking American friends, that's a quarter of a banana. 6 millimeters, wonderful. You get little shitty ones when you buy a tap and die set. You get this sort of thing, and then rubbish. These are great, and I've even got a little dimple in the back, so you can use your sprung tap follower, which is one of the reasons that I wanted them. I've got some great tap wrenches. I've got my Sterrett ones, but these are handy to use on the machines, on the lathe or the milling machine, because you can use that sprung tap guide and crank away. What I also got was the E145, look at the fucking length of that, and the E146. Hey, never mind the quality, feel the fucking girth. Look, so I didn't realise these were long reach when I bought them, but how handy are they for getting in corners? I'm working on things, and with the T-bar, you have your T-bar so you can not get it in very well with one hand, but you can proper If you can only reach in a corner, work in a corner, slide it through, turn. Yep, wonderful, wonderful. They do shorter ones with the same size, which I've seen since and ordered. So there we're coming up. But just fucking brilliant. They're proper, made in England, which is unusual today. They got the black oxide coating. They were dry as fuck when I got them, so I've rubbed a bit of the old fucking 3-in-1 I'm looking for, and it's not on the table. 3-in-1 oil on there. And now served me very fucking well, thank you very much. Just a great little bits of kit, aren't they? I'll put them in my drawer now that I've shown you. So this week, 2 jobs. That's it. Quite involved. This pile of bits, apart from that, this body moulding, that's not going to be used. We've decided. Fucking waste of time. So there's the not being used pile on this job. So this engine, frame, springers, 2 wheels. We're going to marry them up. We're going to get that engine in that frame, and we're going to line the back wheel up. We're going to fit the front wheel into the springers, and everyone's going to be happy. And we're getting on this front end, this massive upside downy fucking Batman style yokes. Yeah. We're going to machine the stem to fit them in the frame, to take the bearings. I'm just checking available bearing sizes because there's no outer race. Don't know if the customer's got it, but I think the bearing is supplied won't fit there with an outer race. There's not enough room. But anyway, we're going to machine this down. We're going to cut a thread on the end, and we're going to make a boss that's going to press and probably grub screw into the underside of that top yoke. And then we're going to make some spacers and sort the wheel spindle out and make everything fit everything. That's this week's second jolly. We've also got Barney's Triumph bob up. Missed the powder coats on Friday lunchtime because I had a little bit of fettling to do on the frame. A little bit of a last minute revision, but it's all good. I'll get that in today. Hopefully get that back later this week or this time next week, and we'll be putting that back together. So it's going to be a week of engineering, which is just what I fucking like. So there you go, just a quick one. This week we're going to be mostly in this corner, spinning round things and making flat things. Yeah. Join me for updates. Please subscribe. Check out my friends in the description below. Give them a like and a sub. And come and follow along. As Nick Collier says, bless him, we'll have some fun. See you in a bit.